Hey, you want to be more productive in 2021? You'll want to try these 3 Alexa features. Tip number 1, use reminders. You got a lot to remember, right? You could set a one-time reminder like, Alexa, remind me to take my laundry out of the dryer in 1 hour.
Okay, I'll remind you in 1 hour.
Now let's make this one reoccurring. You could set a recurring reminder on a weekly or daily basis. Alexa, remind me to do my laundry every Sunday at 8 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you every Sunday at 8 a.m.
Tip number 2, build a shopping list. The best way to stay productive is to stay on top of the things that you need. Alexa, add coffee to my shopping list.
I've added coffee to your shopping list.
We're gonna need it. Tip number 3, set a little me time. I set a reading routine that sets my device to do not disturb for 30 minutes, then lets me know when the 30 minutes is up. Alexa, let's read.
Okay, turning on reading mode.
Those are 3 ways to be more productive with Alexa in the new year. Now, go ahead, try them out for yourself.